Hey guys, happy Saturday. It's Candy with another video. So this is the hair I'm working with today. It is some Afro twist hair from Amazon. Yes, guys, this hair is so affordable and the quality is amazing. So my client has somewhat of an undercut, and so we are going to be installing these spring twists in her hair. And guys, at the end of it all, you guys will see how the hair turned out looking as if she had a full head of hair. You could not even tell that she has shaved sides. All right, so of course we are doing the box parting style. So I'm making boxes and the back is pretty short, but of course you know I'm the grip queen, so I managed the grip and to braid that beginning part of the hair and then transition to a twist. What I love about this type of twist, it really doesn't take any much skill because it's a soft twist. You're just pretty much overlapping the hair one piece over the other, unlike a rope twist or a Senegalese twist. So this is like a soft springy twist. So you just want to delicately twist it all the way to the end, and voila, that is the first twist. And guys, of course, you know, you have to pay attention to the parting. Why? Because the way you part the hair and the position of each twist will determine the fullness of the hairstyle. All right, so I'm making sure that this twist that I'm working on is falling smack in between the parts that are immediately beneath it. All right, so I'm braiding the hair in like I mentioned before, and once I braid for an inch or so, then I start to do the twist. And I'm using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers as my conditioning product of choice. Yes. And yeah, it is a easy, simple. This is the perfect DIY style. As long as you know how to start the braid off, it is game over for you guys. So I'm using hair from Amazon. And this hair, guys, the amount of hair that I use in her head is literally $6. Yes. The package of hair has 8 different individual packs, and the entire bundle is $12. I only used half of it. So yeah, a $6 hairstyle. Who can beat that? Yes. And like I said, not all hair is created equal, but I can tell you this hair is great. And I was able to see my client, you know, a week after the install, and it was still looking good, not frizzy. So you want to make sure that first things first, you separate the end of the hair because it does come somewhat in separated pieces. However, the ends are coiled together. So I'll have to go ahead and undo those pieces. If not, if you try to separate the hair without doing that step, then it will become a tangled mess. So I'm just separating each piece of hair into 3 pieces to get the desired size. Yes, so this is about the size that I use for each of her twists. So I'm going ahead again and separating into 2 more pieces, leaving me with the 3 pieces. All right, so we're going to just continue clipping off the ends. If you see where there are any, you know, stringy pieces or stragglers, or if the end of the hair seems tangled, go ahead and snip them off and it will be much more manageable. All right, now this hair is 18 inches in length and the color is 1B or natural black. And I will definitely leave the link down below for the Amazon storefront that sold the hair, so you guys can see exactly which one. They have various lengths and they do have various colors in this particular hair. But we did go with the black, as you guys can see. Yes. So now we are twisting. And guys, when it comes on to spring twist hair, you definitely have to try to figure out what natural direction the twist should be done in. Some hair, the twist is from left to right in order to get that nice defined springy twist. And in other cases, it's from right to left. In this case, you have to twist from left to right, which is not the naturally comfortable direction in which I normally twist, but I did have to do it in order to achieve the best twist outcome for the hair. Yeah. So now snip off the ends. And yeah, tell me those twists are not neat. They are super neat. All right, so now we are at the top. So I am pretty much installing the very last twist. And as you can see from aerial view, starting off my braid, making sure that it is nice and tight enough. Then I separate her hair into half and then started to twist the braiding hair from left to right. All right. And what I love about this hair, guys, it doesn't need any type of trimming in terms of once you're done with the style, you don't need to trim up each individual twist for it to look nice and finished. All right, guys, so this is the outcome. This is how the hair style turned out. When I tell you, guys, I have to get my hands on some of this twist. Yeah, of course, we have to go in with my natural One True Natural Nourishing Oil Blend. This is the shine of mine, and I do apply this to each and every one of my clients' hair, and it does make a difference, making the scalp look nice and healthy and add a nice healthy shine. All right, and of course a little bit of mousse never hurts in nobody. Okay, so we're going in with some mousse, making sure that we rub that in properly, and yeah, style is done. All right, so I'm of course going to be giving you guys the 360 so you guys can see how it looks from each and every angle. So this is the back, yes, and that's how it looks. When you lift up the hair, you can see the partings. And now we are going to go ahead and show you guys the front portion of the style. All right, so she is doing her turn, and this is how it looks on the side. And now the front. Yeah, guys, this is a nice, quick, lightweight style. Guys, when I tell you lightweight, two things: lightweight and versatile. Does it for me all the time. Okay, and this checks both of those boxes, so it is a win-win. Yeah. So guys, this is all I wanted to show you today. Our $6 Afro Kinky twist or spring twist. Yeah, the names are used interchangeably, but yes. Oh, shake it, girl, shake it. Yeah, so if you are watching my channel, if you happen to just come across my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do post on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. Become a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics gang. Bye.